are nicely packaged and all the bones are out. Some mixed veggies. Aiden just added some salt. I'm gonna stick it in the oven for 30 minutes. There's no bones in here, so it's really easy to eat. This is so good with rice.
What?
먹을 수 있어, 한 입에?
뭐를?
브로콜리?
Put it slimy wet. Huh?
Pretty hard stuff. And then, oh, you're on the sketchbook. Updates on his sketchbook. It's so good. So they decorated their new bike helmets with their Among Us stickers. This is Hanu's, and then this is Yanu's. Wow. He won another giveaway that he entered, and we won this $300 scooter. He has the best luck, I swear. Like, I never win giveaways. He always wins.
2,000 people applying.
So kids could write, kids could write this, and then you can also make it bigger for adults to write. This is mine, and it's super fast. So whenever we go to like the nearby mart, we could just take this. The lights come on too if you write it at night.
보고 어떤 규칙이 있는지.
Aiden is putting down the Christmas tree.
Bye-bye.
Just got ready really quick and I'm gonna change now. I love this sweater. I got it from that small clothes store that I showed you guys last time on my Vlogmas. It just says New York City on it. I believe today is the last day of 2020. I've been loving this lipstick lately. This is from Givenchy, however you say it. Number 25, Fuchsia Vibrant. Oh, the color's so pretty. It looks really good with the blue. Okay. Today we're gonna set up another photo booth, but then we have the either Goodbye 2020 balloon or the Hello 2021 balloon. We might do the goodbye, and we have stuff ready for our New Year's Eve dinner today. So last night before I went to bed, I was watching a mukbang. She was making this shrimp biscuit thing. What is it called in Korean? Menboshang? But it's so good, so I'm gonna try it. She used like raw shrimp, but I only have cooked shrimp, so hopefully that will work. If you guys watched my previous Angel Diary, remember I showed you guys the gift that Aiden got me from Lotte with the certificate that we won from our costume contest. Since we won number 1, we were first place. So glad that this time the order came new and without any damage. They actually like check if there's any damages and then leave this paper on here saying that they reviewed the shoe before shipping it out.
오케이. 하나씩 체크했네. 나이스.
Making this shrimp biscuit. Shrimp. Some shrimp, butter, eggs, and bread. So melt some butter. So I melted some butter, and then she said just use egg whites, not the yolk. Not too chopped.
너무 많은 거 아니에요?
So I cut up the bread to squares like this. Butter on top. Oh, it looks like that?
Buying for 5만 원.
He's buying the used shelf that he wanted. Someone uploaded it for $50. It's normally $150, so he's gonna go pick it up. So hopefully it'll look cute. We're gonna put it where the tree used to be. Okay, let's try this. Sauce. She puts ketchup, 다진 마늘, 굴소스, 설탕, 식초. Ketchup.
치워하는 거야, 치워. 누군가 이걸 다 청소를. 넣어야 될 거야, 밑에 간다.
Turning it over so that the bottom will cook.
왜 뜨거?
엄마 만들었어.
어?
Try this first. The yolk.
일단 아빠 이 친구 활용을 없어.
가루 엄청 떨어지는 가루.
이거 없어? 아 이거 그냥 tingting거. 에이 그리고 너 왜 말하는 거야?
Yogurt for probiotic. Apple. We ordered a super big one. Look how big the two is. Oh my god.
Goodbye.
Why does it look like a 5?
2 and 5 same. 똑같대. 거꾸로 뒤집어 쓰라는 얘기냐?
Like my snacks in between my meals, I eat like peanut butter, nuts instead of chips. This is good. This one is like not dry. It's super good.
try one of this.
아빠 이거 뭔가 달팽이 같지
Oh
않아?
my god!
3개
달팽이.
있어.
He got a popper. Oh my god!
뭔데?
우리가 여러 번 쓸 수 있는 거 아니야?
파티. Goodbye 2020. 안녕 잘 가 2020년. Honor really likes the banana chips in here.
맞아네 진짜? 근데 바나나 가지고.
미디엄.
손을 빨대라는 거야? So you blow out these balloons with the straw.
강물한테 해봐야겠어 이브라도.
So I think we want to take photos here this time. Maybe we could spell out hello right there on the wall and then we could hold 2021. That'd be cute. Okay, so for dinner today, we got this.
candy.
Ta-da! Normally we were supposed to go on like a one-day trip this week, but it got canceled. But Aiden already ordered the food that he was going to take to the hotel for our New Year's Eve party dinner there. So this is like a kit, a lamb chop kit. So it has like lamb chops and some veggies. I don't really eat a lot of lamb, so I'm gonna also make some bulgogi so that the kids could also eat that. So some veggies, sauce, green mustard sauce, and mushrooms. We have your lamb chops here. I don't know what this is. Okay, let's try this. Aiden just brought the bookshelf. We need to wipe it down once. Actually, it looks good next to our TV stand. Turn off the lights.
위에는 놔둬야지.
Okay, we set up hello. Some pineapples. Aiden also made kimchi noodles. Kmart actually sells the Tostitos brand. Look how big this strawberry is.
어 있잖아. 해봐.
Last meal of 2020.
Bye.
Last video of 2020. So full from dinner, you guys.
잠깐 13
여기 앉아. 여기 앉아. 여기 앉아. 앉아.
조금만 하고 3
아니 보면서 해. 보면서 여기 앉아. 불렀어?
Oh my god! I'm gonna clean all this!
뭐야?
Oh my god!